Let's talk about correlating data in Excel. The importance of correlations is that it can quickly quantify possible patterns between two columns of characteristics to a person. Correlations compare two columns of data and are looking if there are some patterns between them or not. Is watching movies in cinema making you more or less to eat popcorn? Or is watching late-night TV shows making you more or less socialist? You can convert answers into numbers when you extract results. So let's see how it looks. First column can be questions, for example, are you employed? Number 1 is yes, 0 is no. And the second column can be, for the same set of people, did you vote for Mr. X or Mr. Y? And number 1 is for X and number 2 is for Y. And then you get something like this. If you use formula Pearson, you will get correlation. When you hit enter, you will get result between -1 and 1. -1 will be a negative, perfect negative score, and 1 is perfect positive score. So what is a perfect negative score? Perfect negative score is one that gets bigger as the other one gets smaller. And perfect positive score is the one where both numbers gets larger at the same time. Score of 0 means there is no correlation. Result of ±0.3 will show some correlation. 0.6 or ±0.6 is a strong correlation. Visually, your results will look like this. Be careful when correlating sets of data. Even if some things may correlate, it does not mean they actually do. For example, number of meteorites that hit Earth may correlate with John's efforts with weight loss, but they actually don't. So again, as with anything in data analysis, use your common sense and spend time when preparing surveys and deciding what you want to correlate.